half-mile road walk. Clean my truck off. Who knows how long driving home, but there's stuff to drink, stuff to eat. It's warm, it's dry. It was a good time though. I did it. Government peak. Almost killed me. Caution, steep grade. Steep grade. Slow down. I bet I can almost see my truck from here. You know what would be really nice? Tire chains. Oh, you won't need tire chains. You'll be fine this morning. Tire chains would be really, really nice. Like, really nice. Like, it's like 6 inches of just slop. Like, my metal cleats have grip, yeah. 4 low. The outside trail mode. I don't know. There you go, deeper again. I can almost see my truck. I can almost see my truck. Truck should be right up here. Goodbye, Porcupine Wilderness. Till next time. Oh man, didn't think I was gonna get up this road at all. Somebody broke me a track. The truck is there. Hell yeah. .37 miles, 7 hours and 36 minutes, 650 feet. Recovery, 43 hours, overreaching. I made it. That was brutal, actually. Oh. Well, it looks like I can at least get out of here. There's still some on the rough, I know. 7:45. It doesn't look bad, but there's a problem. This stuff is turning into. Well, you can make a mean fucking snowman right now. Which I guess gives me time. So the problem is I can't get that, but it doesn't look bad. That's already hard. That's this side of the fall. I didn't open the door yet, but so I'm gonna shovel some of this out. So we'll then should be alright. That was, I don't know, maybe that was the hardest thing I've ever done. I'm not sure actually. Hardest? It's very possible. Very possible. Glad I did this stuff. I got stuck on this. But now it might just turn to ice. I don't know. We'll find out. Well, if I can make it 20 feet, I think I can power through. 4 high, hubs locked in, rear locker locked in. I could probably try to pull some more off for it quick. Yeah. Almost empty because it's just a one-day trip. Should have been easy. I could just put that stuff on. Okay, hopefully we won't get stuck. I'm gonna change into dry clothes. Yeah. How angry is she? Doesn't sound the best, doesn't sound the worst. I'll leave it on for until I get my boots off. I don't feel the best, but made it. Change and get out of here. It would be really nice if I could just make some food and stay here, but I have an appointment at my house at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. It's like 12 hours from now. My house is untold amounts away. All right. Good enough. I wish I could stay here. Just all right, well, here goes nothing. All right, good luck. Good luck. Well, time to see if she can make her. Good luck, girl. Alright, well, there goes nothing. Oh, like nothing. Like nothing. I don't know, it's like fog, snow. sketchy. Alright, this is actually deep. I'm glad somebody cut a trail for me. I'm sure they're gonna be excited to see my tracks in the morning. Wow. Okay, I'm putting the phone down because I got the... Oh, we're like to a road. That's Lake Michigan out there. Wow, they're probably a little mad at me. Thanks, guys. Thanks for keeping it open for me. Alright. Yeah, this probably isn't as terrifying as it looks. These ruts are very deep. Okay, I gotta go again. Oof, this is, yeah. There's a lot of snow here. Like, wow. I'm actually kind of impressed. I wonder what they made it up there with. Okay. I think something's happening here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, yeah, it was a snowstorm. I'm glad somebody made a path for me. I didn't think I needed it earlier, but I'm glad somebody did. I'll have to call and thank them. Wow, this is still sketchy as shit. Freedom! We made it. Hello? Oh, that was sweet. Oh, excellent, excellent. Cloud Road, Freedom. That was actually pretty sketchy for a while with how deep that was. I wouldn't have made that if there was nobody that came up there today. For sure. 3 hours, 15 minutes. I don't know what time it is there. I gotta gain an hour, I think. I don't know. But okay, well, we got pavement, salted pavement, pay attention. Shouldn't be bad. Shouldn't be bad. It's terrible. At least it's not slippery, but it's 42, very foggy. I'm almost home. Yeah, it's just nothing. I can't see anything. It's like 12:30.